critical issue. It affects us greatly here in the Low Country. We are talking about flooding. Charleston County hopes to address the issue head on with a sum of money recently given to them by FEMA. With it, they say they're working on a flood reduction project to help property owners protect their land and investments. News 2's Danielle Seda spoke to people living in the Booner Hall Drive drainage area of West Ashley about their flooding concerns.
It's a health and travel concern that people in West Ashley say affects their workability, livability, and even their ability to move around. With this money given to the county, officials say they hope to address these flooding issues with help from the homeowners.
You ain't getting inside, outside your house, or nothing like that. People come to your door, your front door, on a boat.
Everybody's moving out. We can't deal with it another time.
People living in a flood zone are at their wits' end with the water that comes from hurricane season.
This property flooded 2 out of 3 years. The 2 on the end down there and up the street is flooded 3 out of 3.
Neighbor Bill O'Neill recounts some of the worst flooding he's seen, the flooding in 2015.
We had like 4 inches. House next door had like 8. One on the corner had like 10 or 12.
He tells me that even after the flooding, he and his neighbors weren't quite out of the storm yet. There was cleanup to do. $70,000 worth of cleanup to be exact.
It was major. I mean, we had to cut all the sheetrock out, remove all the wood, cabinets. Bathrooms had to be tore out, everything. It was a major renovation project.
Right now, the county is working on a 2-stage flood reduction project after being awarded $500,000 from FEMA.
The first stage will be obviously research and studies and things like that, working with the affected homeowners. And then the second stage will be looking for additional funding, but will then be implementing construction plans to fix those projects.
Neighbors in the West Ashley area tell me that the news is a relief, especially for those who don't want to leave their homes.
I mean, we built this place up like we wanted, and we can't duplicate it.
A community meeting will eventually be held to discuss this project and the construction schedule. The county also says that grant applications for other areas with similar flooding are underway. In studio, Danielle Seda, Count on 2.